In an age of extreme efficiency, we believe some standards can be fully automatic. Our automatic system ensures every step from pulp mixing to forming is precise, sturdy, and consistent. From the first sample to tens of thousands of orders, full automation ensures consistent quality. This is our final unwavering commitment to quality. More than mechanical production, it's craftsmanship refined. We provide you the quality passport to the high-end market. Products that pass our test are carefully packed, reaching global customers in perfect condition. We have highly efficient automatic lines, and more importantly, a professional quality team. What we customize for you is not just packaging, but a worry-free partnership experience. Apply for custom samples now and witness the perfect integration of automation and craftsmanship. We look forward to hearing from you.